Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mastery Program. So far, we have studied lines and their slopes and their equations. But now, let's move from straight lines to curves. One of the most perfect and symmetric shape in mathematics is the circle. Today, we will understand how circles are represented using equations. A circle is a set of all points that are at the same distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center, and the distance is called the radius. A circle is defined by its center and radius. Equation of a circle at its standard form is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Here h and k are the coordinates of its center point and r is the radius. This equation comes from the distance formula. In a special case, if the center is at the origin, if the center is 0, 0, then we can write the equation of a circle as x square plus y square is equal to r square. See one example. Equation of a circle is x square plus y square is equal to 25. From this, the center is at the origin 0, 0, and the radius is 5. R square is 25. So R is 5. Now we got center and the radius. We can draw the circle easily. See another example. Equation of a circle is given by x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 16. Here the center is not the origin. The center is at 2, 3, the point 2, 3. The radius is 4 because r square is 16. So r is 4. Now we can draw the circle with the center 2, 3. From graph to equation, if we have center 1, 2 and radius 3, we can write the equation of the circle. X minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is equal to 9. The 9 comes from the radius square. So radius is 3, we square it, it's 9. Always square the radius. A circle represents symmetry, balance, and equal distance. Circle equation comes from distance formula. The idea is the distance from the center is always constant. Today we have learned definition of a circle, an equation of a circle, and center and radius, and how to form equations. This is a key concept in coordinate geometry. When you understand circles, you understand symmetry in mathematics. And this understanding leads to deeper concept in geometry and calculus. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson.